Hey guys, for this video, I'll show you how to upload PDF files to WordPress. First, on your WordPress dashboard, go to the left panel and click on Media. Then, select Add Media File. Click on Select Files, then upload your PDF file. Once done, you'll see the newly uploaded file into your media library. You can now use this PDF in a post or on a page. If you want to use it in a post, go to Posts on the left-hand panel. Then click Edit on the post where you want to insert the PDF. Now, on the upper left, click the plus button to add a new block. Scroll down to the Media section and select File. Then go to your media library and choose the PDF you uploaded. Once selected, you'll see it appear in your post. On the right-hand panel, you can choose not to show the inline embed if you just want the download link. Click Save once done. Now, if you preview your site, you'll see that viewers can download the PDF you uploaded. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.